Oh! What's up, y'all? It's Velocity back here with another daily upload. Every other day coming at you with another video. This is just one of those videos I totally uploaded yesterday, the day before, and not uploaded in 2.5 months. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. This is like the 17th time I've done this, so it's really I really don't have an excuse anymore. It's just kind of me not making a video. So I would say I'm out of ideas, and it's true, but you guys would be like, I don't really care when you're uploading next. This is that upload, and next one will be in December. Okay, thanks, goodbye. I'm joking. It was a joke, okay? Just gotta collect my thoughts. So I'm sorry. I want to apologize for not uploading for 2.5 months. That's my bad. I take full responsibility for my actions, and I didn't film all summer, so summer's over. But this vlog is the summerest vibe you'll get out of me. So I'm gonna shut up. Here is the video. Jack got his license, and we go have fun. So yeah, enjoy. Good night, and I'll see you later.
I hate yellow lights.
Look, Jack got his license, so now we go fast funny. So for the long I just ate popcorn. So we're going off-roading.
Yes.
At park. How do you go
To off-roading?
Yes.
I put this in 4-wheel drive.
Where's the park?
It's in the parking lot. There's just like a path.
Really?
Yeah.
And you can go
There's
on
like a make-out hill. You roll up the hill, and then you can see a bunch of stuff. But I don't want to roll down the hill, because that'd be bad. Like that. That'd be bad, so you gotta be careful. Maybe.
There's sand dudes. We could find there.
Oh, red light. What a dummy. Everyone honked at me.
Dude, that guy was going.
I know, dude.
Fast.
He's just doing like 475.
I just finished segment 2 today. That is illegal.
Yes.
I learned that.
Yes. Good job. I do heroin while I drive.
As long as it's not drinking and driving.
Yes. Anything else?
Is
Heroin is okay.
Maybe not.
Didn't Demi Lovato die?
No, she didn't die. She just overdosed.
What an idiot sandwich.
We gonna give you one time for the mother.
Swear. Where's Nick? Where's this man? Dude, you got the bop? Bobros. Hi.
Camera!
What's crack-a-lackin'? Okay, now you gotta be funny.
Hi.
There's a person, watch out. Hey, he's got a camera too, I wonder if he's a vlogger. Now you gotta go 703 miles an hour. Oh my god.
Go to the hill. You're having
Dinner.
Wait, can you actually go up this hill? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Keep going. No, I wanna go down the hill. No, okay, you're gonna go up and down the hill? We were up. Oh my god.
Did I say hi?
But watching you bring home. You see a black man with a white woman at the top floor, they gon' come.
My car is fighting for dear life right now. It's not even in 4-wheel drive. I'm just gonna go into neutral. Oh my god.
Oh, what the? I'm coming to say hi! Where'd that car go? It disappeared.
This is a safari adventure.
Let's go on a safari adventure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Is this even allowed? Oh! Now you're on a safari adventure. Is that gonna hit the GoPro?
Probably. Oh yeah.
That was the GoPro.
Excuse me, can you move?
Damn it, I should have brought my chainsaw with me.
Aiden, I'm gonna land on you.
Oh, yeah, I know. I was getting shot.
Rope swing, but not jumping into the water. Going in the
You better
water.
hold on.
Oh, really?
I thought he was
Okay, we decided to go swimming now.
Are you recording?
Yeah, definitely.
I don't want to kick you in the face.
Okay, don't do that then. Oh my god. Jesus. How is she?
Good. Show me where.
Aiden gonna do the rope.
Ow, mother.
Keep holding on.
Ready?
Nicholas will throw you the rope. Kick off.
Oh no.
Yes.
Aiden, fly. No, it's not spooky as long as
Hold on to the rope.
you're literally a gymnast, Aiden. Hey, when you land on your butt. Don't go feet first.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Imagine. Exhilarating.
Monkey, where?
Was fun, Jack.
What? What are we talking
I
about?
said was fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Agreed.
Agreed. Here, sun. Oh wait, where's the sun? Oh, sun's over there. Yes?
Here.
Epic sauce.
Blood in the blood